Kimchi. Apa kita fait une plat? Non. Curry. Very good. Buldak. Biscuits oignons. 16. Ouais, loot box.
Is massive, look at this.
Oui, grave là, massif. Onions. Big onion. Ça?
Ah, mais non, ça.
Allez. Ça doit ici.
Et que.
Oignon cracker.
Non, ça ici.
Masala.
Ouais.
Pas de joke là.
Ponini, tu tenais que ici.
Ça, aussi faire. Hein?
Tu commences trop en
Onion cracker, one more. Oui, ici.
Ah. Potato.
Kimchi. Samyang. Black bean. Savaja, this one is black soya bean.
Ah, il a Sam. Il va
Black soya bean. This one is red bean. Parce qu'il est black. Ça arrive. C'est le kungus là.
Red soya bean.
Celle-là, Chinese date. Ça veut dire maçon. This is maçon, jujube. On prend Thai épices.
Ouais.
Ça veut dire, how we call it? Thai yellow paste.
Red paste, brown paste,
Avec tout ça là, non. Thai red curry paste. Avec une little beans encore. One more. Ça c'est urad. Whole matpe bean. Urad. Ça c'est. This one is haricot blanc.
Yes, that's haricot blanc.
Ça mon épice préféré. Preferred spice. Lazat. Curry. What do I have? I wanted to make flan. T'as l'air de faire les...
Non, toi, t'as envie de mettre flan, pas moi. Moi, j'ai envie de manger. Ok, ça c'est pas nice.
Lentils. Mais c'est une écrase.
C'est un bœuf? Ah,
non, chinois. Essa é uma blanche, porque ela é do velho, do ramacêntico. So I see this one here, this one here. Ali, spices now. This is masala aisha. Types of masala that we have in Mauritius. So in Mauritius we have banana chip industry. It is very tasty, original, hand cooked banana chips. I have 3 like this, 1 for me and 2 for my son. 1 for you as well, 1 for you, Salah.
Thanks.
And I also bought crinkle cut. If you want, you can have it. I have 2
You know what?
Chinese onion
I
flavored.
think I'll have this one.
So
one
Salah
is
will
all
have
mine.
this one then. You can't eat all. Kimchi is specially for someone Chinese. Salahuddin, it's yours. Look at this chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka masala. Beli
Chicken tikka. This one you will like it. So this time we'll have to add yogurt in the curry. Otherwise, Papa will not eat. It will be too spicy.
Oh, wow, chicken tikka.
No, he liked it, but it was hot for him.
Ah, hey. Mama.
I don't think it was
Saffron.
It was strong.
No.
That's what you meant.
I have mutton curry.
I thought it was nice.
It was nice, but you know how he is. It was
His
like too
nose.
strong, yes.
He's very nose.
He's nosy, yes.
Nose.
Those are nosy. I don't
Okay.
know how you say. No, not I don't care. I do
Okay.
care. This is Pechilani en grain. What is Pechilani en grain en anglais?
Cardamom.
Fennel? Fennel seed? Fennel seed muko. Kotamili coriander. This is kotamili powder, coriander powder. This is fennel seed in powder. This is in grain.
Ukraine?
Grain.
Oh, green.
This is ginger powder. This one is chili powder. Kotamili powder, chili powder, and I bought 2. This one is Pichiani powder, 2 of each. So this one here, so many.
Sadu.